In this video, you'll learn how to request stock. Click on the My Stock Requests tab and you will see a list of all your requests. To create a new request, click on the Add button. In the pop-up, select the facility you are requesting stock from. In this case it will be your regional depot. Select the date of the request. Under Remarks, write down the stock availability you have currently. If urgent, make sure to write urgent in capital letters as shown. Under Products, select the product you'd like to request along with the quantity required. To add more than one product, you can click on the blue plus sign. Click on Save. A stock request will be created as shown. This request will first go for approval to ICMR. Once approved, the status will show approved. In case you need approval urgently, you can write an email to ICMR mentioning the stock request number. Once approved, the depot will send out the stock. It will be visible through the Receive Stock option.